everybody, Cindy A. Lewis here, and I just wanted to do a little update for you. I was going to film part 2 of my hinge journal, the cover embellishment, but I'm not feeling very good, so I'm actually going to head to bed right after this. But I did want to update you on the memberships because there's 3 new members. Thank you, Olivia and Debbie, for joining on my Ko-Fi membership, and thank you to Melissa Feller for joining me on YouTube membership. So that means 3 people have joined since the 1st, and you know what that means. That means that I've got to add 3 items to the YouTube giveaway junk journal mystery box and the Ko-Fi membership mystery box. So what I'm doing, I'm trying to keep them pretty much the same. So each one is going to have some embroidery floss, which is great for your journals, and added, and then a packet of hardware. So this is some keys, some bulb pens, and a little title plate with the brads. So for each of them. And then one kit will get these large butterfly ephemera added, and the other one will get some different butterfly ephemera added. I've got them right here. So, oh, there's another one in there. Where did it go? And so, thank you so much for participating, sharing, entering the giveaway. Thank you for the sweet words about inspiring you. I continue to want to strive for that and help you to bring that creativity out of you. I will do a membership video and explain the memberships on Ko-Fi and on YouTube. So thanks everybody. Have a great rest of your day, and I'll get that part 2 up soon.